Good evening, I'm Colin, Brennan's roommate. Today we're going to be learning how to put a lawnmower engine on a boat motor on a boat that's twice as old as I am and about the age of the woman I like, and learn how to not register it and probably not get a felony. Boat DUIs are not actually real. It's kind of an urban legend among white people near Nashville. So that's why I like boating. I took my license 2 years ago, but the bar here is walking distance, so that's alright. Well, anyways, enjoy these nice noises. It's for your film project?
Yeah.
Fuck you, libs. Not like your long-lasting daily driver solution. This is like, holy fuck, is he using a Chick-fil-A straw to hook up a fuel tank? Like a professional would never tell you to do this. Now, where's my idea picker? I don't want to walk to get scissors. The purpose of the Chick-fil-A straw is so that the superglue doesn't come into direct contact with the gasoline and dissolve it. The more metal shavings you get in your fuel line, the better your engine will run. It's actually science.
Is that a fact?
Yeah. Quote me on that. It either works or it doesn't. Either way, it's gonna be a pretty cool noise for you.
Oh, sweet.
Fuck am I good at everything I do, man. This might explode, to be honest with you. She kicked over. Dude, why am I so fucking good at everything I ever try to do?
Is it working?